In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as JPEG in Adobe Illustrator. If you've finished your design and want to export it as an image file that's easy to share, upload, or use in other projects, saving it as a JPEG is a simple option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it quickly and confidently. Start by going to the File menu in the top toolbar inside Adobe Illustrator. From there, find Export, hover over it, and then choose Export As. As soon as you click that option, your computer's file browser will open. This is where you'll decide exactly where the exported image should be saved. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the file. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to find later, especially if you'll need to upload the JPEG or send it to someone right away. After that, enter a file name. Choose a name that makes sense for your project so it's easy to recognize later. Clear file names can save time, especially if you create multiple versions of the same design. Now look for the Format drop-down menu. Change the format to JPEG or JPG depending on how it appears in your version of Illustrator. This tells Illustrator that you want to export your artwork as a JPEG image instead of another file type. You'll also see an option called Use Artboards. Check this if you want the JPEG to match your artboard size exactly. This is especially helpful if you want clean edges and only want to export the area inside the artboard. If you leave it unchecked, Illustrator may export based on the full artwork bounds instead. Once everything looks correct, click Export. A new window called JPEG Options will appear. In this window, choose the quality and resolution you want. Higher quality usually gives you a better looking image, while resolution affects how sharp and detailed the final JPEG will be. If you're exporting for web or casual sharing, lower settings may be enough. If you need something clearer for presentations or print-related use, you may want higher settings. When you're happy with those choices, click OK. That's it. Your Illustrator file will now be saved as a JPEG in the folder you selected. This is a straightforward process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for future projects.